So hi, my name is Oma, and this is my full name, and this is called the. You see this? This is actually the name of this castle. It's called The Bear Can Read. So I'm going to open it now. I wonder if what's going to be my surprise today. I'm not going to use my teeth. I'm going to use my hands. Yeah, this is so hard. Halloween. I like Halloween. 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 This is just some cutting and sticking, I think. Yeah. So I'm not going to do that. So this is some learning so you have to do. And this one, this blue thing, my finger is a bit tricky. This is word search, and you just need to find all the puzzles that are here. And this is practice space where you can practice all your letters and you can write and you can spell. Now I think this is for my mom to read. And now I have nothing.
Where is everything gone? Which book is going to be your favorite one? Which one are you going to read first?
So I'm going to read this one.
What does that say?
Miss Woods.
Mm-hmm. Is that the one you're going to read tonight?
Miss Woods. Pill up a bit. Actually, I can read. I'm joking. Game will not fail. Game will not fail.
Would you like to read a page or read it quickly for us?
Girl keeps us well. Van. Girl is up in the night. We need to go right. The van wheels go, go, go. Beep, beep. Mommy. Girl zips along the man roads. I will be quick. Girl gets to the shop. This is Jane. She fell in the rain. John has a shock. I am again. The pain is in the right hip. Can I see it? Kit again checks Jane. Gets Jane in the van. The van is off. Beep beep. We need to go. What was that? A long night. I need a nap. So this is a picture. These are just like, yeah, you see.